So, hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Exam Buddy. So now we do the assignment of data analytic with Python week 7. The first question is when regression assumption about the error term or volatility, which of the following may occur, and the answer is option B. Question number 2, reducible analysis is primarily used to, and the answer is option C. Question number 3, if a variance of radial increase as the value of the independent variable increase, this indicates, and the answer is option A. Question number 4, a reducible plot showing a clear curved pattern suggests, and the answer is option C. Question number fifth, standardized reducible are primarily used to, and the answer is option A. Question number sixth, if reducals exhibit non-constant variance, the immediate consequence is, and the answer is option B. Question number seventh, in a multiple linear regression model, multicollinear primarily effect, and the answer is option C. Question number 8. In multiple regression, the adjust R2 is preferred over R square because it, and the answer is option B. Question number 9. In a multiple regression model with k independent variables, the overall F test is used to test whether, and the answer is option B. Question number 10. In a regression model with a dummy variable representing gender, the confidence of the dummy variable represent, and the answer is option B. So now we submit the answer. C. The answer is submitted successfully. So if you want any course of assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, subscribe our channel so get the answer in future. So goodbye, have a nice day.